everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your bridal shop business. So I am an owner of a bridal shop business and I receive a lot of inquiries by my customers on WhatsApp. And replying to all of them individually and manually is very time consuming and hectic. So to solve this problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now whenever by the customer, I receive a message, automatically this bot is going to reply to those inquiries. This bot can share the location of my store. With that, it can share the link with the help of which a bride can book a consultation in my store, as well as it can share the offers that I have with the details of my store like my email address and my phone number. So now if you want to learn how to create this WhatsApp chatbot for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to create an interactive WhatsApp chatbot for a bridal store using Pabbly Chatflow. Whether you are managing consultations, showcasting offers or guiding customers to your store, the bot can do all of that automatically. So first of all, I'm going to show you how this bot actually works as a customer's point of view. So this is the bot right over here, and let's suppose towards this bot, I'm going to send a message. Hey, I want to know about the offers in your store. I'm going to send this message to this bot. You can see automatically this bot has replied, "Hi there, welcome to Elegant Bridal Studio. To get started, may I know your name?" For the name over here to this bot, I'm going to send it as test user right here, okay? After sending the name, it says, "Thanks test user, could you please share your email address?" For the email address, I'm going to write it as test@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to send this email address to this bot. After that, you can see I have received the image of this store right over here. This is the bridal store. It says, "Welcome to Elegant Vows Bridal Studio. We are thrilled to have you." You can see this is the welcome message right over here for the customer. And these are the options right here. I want to view offers, so I'm going to select this option, and automatically this bot is going to reply to all my messages, okay? So as you can see that this bot is auto replying to all my messages. This is how this bot is actually going to work, okay? And in this video, we are going to learn the step-by-step tutorial of how you can build this chatbot for your own bridal store as well. And we are going to create this amazing chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, on a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And as I'm going to do that, you can see then Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you can see we have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I'm an existing user, so I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the products that Pabbly provides, from which we're going to select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. What is Pabbly Chatflow? Pabbly Chatflow is a tool that helps businesses to send WhatsApp messages and manage WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. To create your own setup in your Pabbly Chatflow account, you need to add your WhatsApp number from here. There are two options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn how to set up your own Pabbly Chatflow account for both of these methods, the tutorials for both of these methods are added in the description box below. Pabbly Chatflow provides many features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, settings, under which we have multiple options right here. So now if you want to learn in brief about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow, all the tutorials, videos are added in the description box below, okay? You can find all the tutorials in the description. Now in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot in our Pabbly Chatflow account, we need to create a new flow. For that, from the left side under flow, go towards this flow section right over here. Then flow builder page is going to appear in front of you, and on the flow builder you can find total flows, active and inactive flows, and all the flows right here below. Now to create a new flow, go to this add flow button on the top right corner, and as soon as we're going to do that, a flow is going to be automatically created. Firstly, I'm going to rename the flow, which is going to be WhatsApp chatbot for your bridal shop business. This is the name of my bot right over here. After naming the bot, you can see it says flow start. How this bot that we are creating is going to be triggered. There are three ways: keywords, regex, and choose template. So firstly, keywords. Let's suppose you have added few keywords in this flow start and customers send those keywords as WhatsApp messages. This flow is then going to be triggered from here. Next is choose template. You have sent a template as a broadcast message to all your customers, and towards the template customers reply, and you've selected that template over here in your flow start, then the flow is going to be triggered. And then comes over here regex. What is regex? Regex is a short of regular impressions. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to find, match or filter specific text, okay? Over here for the regex, I have a special character that is going to trigger this flow for every message that we receive on our WhatsApp, okay, by our customers. So for that regex, I'm going to write the character over here. So this is my regex character right over here. With the help of this special regex, this flow is going to be triggered every time whenever we receive any of the messages by our customer on WhatsApp. If you want to use the same character, you can find this character in the description box below. After entering the regex, I'm going to toggle this button on right here. It is not mandatory to toggle the button on. Toggle the button on for each sensitive regex only, okay? After setting up our flow start, now this flow is going to be triggered. What is the first message that this bot should send to my customer? I want to collect my customer's details first, like their name and their email address. So firstly, this bot is going to ask question. For that, go to actions, select this ask question field, drag it and drop it over here in this flow. Now for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, this is the message that I have. Hi there, welcome to Elegant Bridal Studio. To get started, may I know your name, please? So this bot is collecting the data of the name of my customer, where this name data is going to be stored. So as the name is going to be collected by this bot, it can be saved in contact custom field. In contact custom field, you can add the data according to your requirement, create your own custom field and add your customer's data in it. I've already created a contact custom field in the name of full name, and in this field the name is going to be saved. So I'm going to select the field from the drop down. Format of the reply, I'm going to receive it as text for this question. Number of attempts 1 and validation message, I'm going to write it as error, okay? What is a validation message? So let's suppose a customer replies to this question, but it's not in the format that we have selected, that is text. So they will receive a validation message of error right here, okay? So this is my first question for collecting the data of the name of my customer. I'm going to connect this question to this flow start. For that, simply from this point, drag it and connect it to the question point right here. So now over here I have another question for the email address. So I'm going to add another ask question field over here. And for the message, I'm going to write it as, so this is my question right here. Thanks, $full name. What is this $full name? So as I collect the data of my customers in this question, their name, and add it in this contact custom field, I want to extract the name from this field and add it in this message. And how can you do that? Add the name of your contact custom field exactly over here and add a $sign in front of it, okay? And yes, you can also see one thing, that I have added 2 stars between the name right over here of my customer. This is how you format. If you want to make any of the text bold, just add 2 stars in the front and in the end of the message, and that text can be bold from here, okay? Next it says, could you please share your email address? So as it is collecting the data of the email address, I'm going to select the contact custom field of email. Format is going to be email as well. And the validation message over here is going to be error. With that, number of attempts is going to be 1. So these are the 2 questions that this bot is going to ask to my customer. So after asking both of the questions, I want to send an image of my store to the customer. With that, I want to greet the customer and send some options to them. So firstly, as I want to add a media from this point of this question, I'm going to drag it and drop it. Content type, I'm going to select it as media. Media type, we have 4 options: image, video, audio, document. I'm going to select it as image. Paste the URL right over here, the media URL, or directly upload it from here, okay? So I'm going to simply open this store image that I have of mine. I'm going to open it in this field right here. Within few seconds, the image is automatically going to be uploaded over here, okay? So as the image is uploaded, with the image, I want to send a greeting message. For that, I'm going to click on this add content button. Content type, I'm going to select it as text plus button. And for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, So this is the message that I have, that is welcome to Elegant Vows Bridal Studio, the name of my store right here. This is the entire welcome message. We are thrilled to have you here and excited to be a part of your bridal journey. You can see the entire welcome message. Please choose the options below. Now for the option below, what I'm going to do is I am going to add buttons in this message right here to add the options. For that, I'm going to click on this add button right here and I want to add 3 buttons in a message. You can add maximum number of 3 buttons only in a message, okay? So I'm going to name all the 3 buttons right over here, which is going to be book consultation, view offer, studio locations. So these are the 3 buttons that I've added with this message and this image right here. Now, what message should be forwarded towards my customer if they select this button, that is book consultation? For that, simply drag this point and drop it. Content type is going to be text plus button and the message over here is going to be. So this is the message that I've written right over here. Ready to find a dream bridal look? Click below to book your free bridal consultation now. This is the link right over here with the help of which a bride can book the consultation in my store. I have created a Calendly link, you can see right over here in this manner, and this is the link I've added in this message right here. We are open every day except Tuesday from 10 to 9 p.m. You can see this is the entire message for book consultation with the Calendly link as well. Now in this message, I want to add a button of contact us as well, with the help of which I can share contact details of my specialist directly to my bride, like their email address and their phone number. I'm going to leave this button right now as it is. I'm going to write the message later. For the view offers, I'm going to add the message over here. Content type is going to be text plus button and the message is going to be. So this is the message for the view offers. You can see right away all 5 offers are written. Okay, in the similar manner, I'm going to add a message for the studio locations as well. Content type is text plus button and the message is going to be. So this is the message I have for the store locations, store 1, store 2 and store 3 of the Delhi. You can see I've added all the addresses with time. Okay, so this is the location. Now with these 2 messages, I also want to add the button of contact us. So simply I'm going to copy the name from here and paste it right over here. Okay, in similar manner, I want to add the button as well right here. Now I want to write a message for the contact us. Simply drag this point, drop it. Contact type is going to be text plus button and the message of contact us over here is going to be. This is the message that I've written right here. Need expert help choosing the perfect bridal look, and over here you can see I've added the number and the email address of the specialist as well. Okay, now this is the same message that should be forwarded with 3 of these buttons of contact us. So I'm going to simply connect all the buttons with this message right here. Now with this message over here, contact us, in which I want to add a button. The button over here is going to be back to main menu. Using this button, the customer can go back to this main menu right over here. What is the main menu? This is the main menu, okay? So I'm going to give this button option as well with all these buttons. So this is the entire flow that I've created. I'm going to rearrange this flow. And yes, you can see right over here, this is the entire flow that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow. To save this flow, I'm going to click on the save button on the top right corner. It says flow updated successfully. So as now the flow is saved. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this flow. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a WhatsApp message to this bot directly. So this is the bot that I've created, and towards this bot I'm going to send a message that is, hey, I want to know the location of your store in Delhi. So I'm going to send this question to this bot directly. And automatically this bot has replied to me, hi there, welcome to Elegant Bridal Studio. It is asking for the name. For the name over here, I'm going to send it as demo right here. So I'm going to send the name to this bot as demo over here. It says thanks demo. It is asking for the email address. So I'm going to send the email address to this bot right over here, demo@pabblytudes.com, and automatically I've received the image and the messages. And if I'm going to select any of the buttons from the messages, automatically I'm going to receive the reply. You can see right over here. And as this bot is automatically replying to all my messages, this means that this bot has now been successfully working and successfully created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And that's how easy you can create a smart interactive WhatsApp chatbot for your bridal store using Pabbly Chatflow. So now you can also try this out yourself. Just head over to Pabbly Chatflow because we give you 100 free credits to start building and testing your own chatbot today. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and test your bot and create your amazing bots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.